Hello everyone, it's Keroy here, and today I wanted to read for you from page 116 from my book Divine Soul Whispers, Like a Drink Offering. This poem was triggered by that verse, I think it's in Paul, where he said, I'll pour out myself like a drink offering, meaning, well, this is the interpretation I got from it. You give yourself, you give of your gifts, you give of your resources. By the time you get to graduate to heaven and your thing on earth is done, you've given it all. You don't have to have an attitude of carrying the things to another life. Not necessary. Most things that work here on planet Earth, I'm sure don't work in other planets or other life sequence, other life universes you choose to go to. So the attitude of this poem is give of yourself, give of your gifts, give of your resources when able. Remember not to give from an empty place. Always give from the overflow, but give as much as you can before your time is ready for graduation. Like a drink offering, I dig to the depth of my being to find myself. The deeper I go, the more treasures I find. Some good for keeps, some ready for release, all are treasures. What remains are insights of wonder. How deep can I go? Feels like a bottomless pit. Then I remember the ageless soul never gets tired of adventure. Growth is the signature of evolving humans. Rest in the flow as you dig deeper. Find the treasures, pour them out like a drink offering. Give of yourself, give of your gifts, all in love. I hope this poem blesses you. I'll talk to you soon. Keroy here. Bye bye.